everyone, welcome back to my channel Web Coding with Ankur. Today video we are diving into the link component in Next.js 15, one of the most powerful tools for building fast seamless navigation in your application. If you ever wondered how to create smooth client-side routing without sacrificing performance or SEO, this is the video for you. We will cover the basics of link component, the key features, and some exciting update in Next.js 15 that make it even more better. By the end of this video, you will exactly know how to use the link like a pro, or maybe pick up a few tips to optimize your project even further. Let's jump in. In today's video, we are talking about the topic which we call down link component or inside or like navigation. How we navigate, how the navigation work in Next.js application. So, what is navigation? In our previous video, we are just directly typing the URL in the browser. So, when if we think in terms of user, the user does not put the URL directly in the browser. It simply click some link or perform some action so that the page of the application will be changed or it will be redirected from other pages. So if the user, so it will be defined by the help of two things, like suppose if the user click on the links and or it may be redirected after a certain action of time, or maybe it is a button or any link which the user click on. Now, for example, if we have a UI navigation, how it works. Suppose we have localhost 3000 as home page, and when the user action perform an action, it will be redirected to the localhost 3000 / browser blog page. Okay, so how this navigation will be implemented in Next.js application? Let's see. So to implement that navigation, we use the link component navigation or link component in Next.js application. For client-side navigation, Next.js application Next.js give us the link component. The link component is a React component that extends the HTML element, and it is primary way to navigate between routes in Next.js. To use it, we will need to import it from Next+link. So let's start building it in our application in Next.js. So let's move on to the Visual Studio Code. Let's implement our blog functionality or blog routing or using the link component in Next.js application. Here you can see we have a home page, welcome page on our website. When you visit localhost 3000, the page of your application like this. So now we here create a new link with the help of link component of blog, and when we click on that blog, it will redirect to the blog page. Okay, so let's create that. So we can import, first of all, we can import the link component from next link, and inside that we can also create a new href link. So we can wrap it before this, add the single title as we need to add more. So we can use the empty fragment for there. We can cut from here and we can create, we can make it close, and after that we can give a link. So we can type link. We have a href property to blog, which we redirected to the blog routing after click on this plug to a blog link. Now here you can see we have implemented link component from next link and create a link with the name blog, which when you click this particular, it will redirect to the home page, blog page. So here, when reload the page, you can see the blog page over here. Let me make it more large so that you can easily visual that. So here you can see that you have a blog link over here. When you click this blog page, so here you can see that localhost 3000 / blog will be URL will be activated, and you can see the blog page over here. So this is how you can use the link component here. So now let's again take an example of product. So we can build another link over here which will take you to the product page. So we can take it, take a link component, we can type it as products, create products. Okay, we can save it and we can move back to the home page. So here you can see the blog page already take you to the blog page. When we have also the product page, which we just implemented with the help of link component in Next.js application. When you click on the product, here you can see that it will be take you to the localhost 3000 / product. Now in the both the cases, if you see the blog page or the product page, you can see you don't have anything by which you can go to the home page backward. So let's implement that. For that, suppose we have visit the localhost 3000 / product, we come in this. Let's we create a home link over here in the product page. For that, we can go inside the product and we can click on page.tsx and we can import the link component as we have done in the home page. So we can use import link component, and inside the link component we can create a link of create a link over here, link HRF home, head to home. Okay, now save it and move on, visit the browser. Now we can, as you can see the home, you see the home, and when you click this home link over here, it will take you to the home page. So this is how you can navigate with the help of link component in Next.js application. Now let's talk about how we create the dynamic route in Next.js application with the help of link component. Let's move on to the another Visual Studio Code. Now, as you can see that when you click on the product page, you can key the product 1, product 2, product 3. In this, now let me create a dynamic route with the help of link component in Next.js application. As you all know that when we visit product 1, it will take you to the product 1 page, or if we visit localize product to the second page, to it visit 2 page. Okay, now we will use that so that we can use the link component to link this particular list of product on it product page. Let's mount to the Visual Studio Code. Here we have a product list. Let's link it to the respective link page. Now we have the link and we have the HRF is equal to /product/1. Okay, now it will link to it. Product 1 will link to the product 1 page. Okay. Now at the same we'll do for the product 1, product 3 also. Product 3, we can change it to the 2 or 3 over here. After that, we can close this particular tag of link. Now when you visit the browser, you can see that the 3 link will be created, one for the product 1, 2 and 3. When you visit product 1, it will take you to the product 1. And when you visit product 2, it will to 2. And when visit product 3, it will take you to the 3. Okay. Now, how we can create the dynamic route in this? Because since they are a static value. So how we can create the dynamic route when we receive some value from props. For example, if we have a product ID, say we have a product ID, say we have 100. Okay. Now how this ID will be linked in an add-to tag in a link component. So for that we can use link HRS, and for that we can say that for the product, and we can use the product ID online. Now we can use the template literals for that. Okay, for example, we can open curly braces backticks. Inside backticks we can use product /$ bracket. We can pass product ID. So when you visit this product, suppose we have product ID 100. When you visit this, it will be take you to the product 100 page. Okay. Now here you can see the product 100. When you click over product 100, it will take you to the product page. So this is how you can create a dynamic route for link with the help of link component in Next.js application. Now let's talk about the replace props in link component. For example, here you can see that if we visit browser, on the home page, here you can see when you visit product 1, and when we visit home page again, it will take you to the product list, and if we go for the product 2, it will take you to the product list, and again product 3, it will take you to the product list. Okay. Now if here we can use the replace prop or the link component, what it will do? It will override the history of the navigation. How? Let's try it. So let's move on to the home page again. The reload page. Now product 1, if we have a product 1, we redirect to the home page. Product 2, it will be redirected to the product list page. Now when we visit product 3, it will take you to the home page. So this is how the props work in link component. I hope you can easily understand how the link component works in Next.js. This is all for today's. To wrap things up, the link component in Next.js 15 is a game changer for client-side navigation. It's fast, efficient, and ensure a smoother user experience by avoiding full page reload. With features like prefetching and support for dynamic routing, it is essential tool for any Next.js project. By following the best practices, you can make your app both performant and accessible. Thanks for watching. Happy coding. Thank you.